All right, so I'm just going to go over number 2 and number 3 to help you get a good rounded idea of how we do this, or so you can check your answer and make sure you're on the right track. So for number 2, so this is a multi-step process. The first thing we need to do always is we need to identify our A, B, and C. So if you were doing that, you got to remember A is the number that comes before the x squared. Well, when there's no number, that's 1. B is the number that comes before just the x, so that's going to be 9. And C is going to be the number that's by itself, that's 18. And you can see those 3 things up here in your reference that you're going to have for each of these problems. You have your A, your B, and your C. It's referencing the numbers that come before the x and then finally the number that comes by itself. Okay, so first step, done. Second step, you need to set up your diamond problem. So you can refer back to here again. A times C is going to go in here. So what's 1 times 18? Well, that's going to be 18. And then B goes in the bottom, or B is 9. Okay, now second step, done. Third step is we're going to go ahead and list all of the things that multiply together to get 18. And I prefer, it's easiest to always start with 18 and 1. 18 times 1 is 18. What else multiplies together to get 18? Well, you can try a few things. Try your calculator. 9 times 2 is 18. And the last one is 6 times 3. If you didn't know any of those off the top of your head, that's okay. You got to guess and check sometimes. So what we need to do after we've listed all 3 of these is you've got to figure out which one of these can I add together to get the bottom. Remember, it needs to multiply together to get the top and add together to get the bottom. So which of these are going to add together to get 9? Well, it's not 18 and 1. It's not 9 and 2, so it's going to be 6 and 3. So 6 will go here, 3 will go here. It does not matter if those are switched around. Finally, you can reference this guide right here, but I want you to write it out like this. You're going to write your factored form by putting this number into that blank and this number into that blank. Okay, so but I want you to write it out. So x plus 6 times x plus 3. And there is your factored form. Okay, let's try this one more time, and we'll go a little bit quicker. So again, A, B, and C. We're going to do that first. So A is going to be 1, B is going to be 8, C is going to be 15. A times C goes in the top. So 1 times 15 is 15. B goes in the bottom, that's 8. What are the numbers that multiply together to get 15? Well, the easy thing is always 15 and 1. And I think 5 and 3 would be the other one. Which of these are going to add together to get 8? Well, it's not 15 and 1, so it must be 5 and 3. Yeah, 5 plus 3 is 8. So finally, I'm going to write my factored form, x plus 5 times x plus 3. There you go.